All right, you guys murdered the like button in the last video. I got over 1,700 likes on the last one. And on top of that, you guys gave me 1,700 likes on the trip to the thrift. Please, if we could get 1,800 likes on this video, all I'm asking is that you caress that like button. You sexually arouse that like button. Give that like button blue balls. Turn that gray thumb blue. Bang on that like button. Quit walk all over that like button. Whatever you gotta do, just turn that thumb blue. Bars. And then while you're down there, of course, if you guys like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and show some love in the comments. But anyways, right now, I gotta go meet my mom. Please grab my stuff and put it on the ground. We're not trying to spread the Kenora. Put it on the ground.
Kenora.
There you go. Put it right there.
Wait.
All right, now step back. Step back. Thank you. We got my stuff.
I love you.
I love you too.
This is my hug.
Yeah, hug. If you guys are wondering why I'm so overly cautious around mi madre, if you guys have been subbed to the channel for a while, you guys know recently my mother had breast cancer. And when she went through chemotherapy, obviously it affected her immune system. For that reason, I just gotta be extra careful. And if you're wondering why she had one of my packages, a lot of people ask me how I get multiple orders on Supreme. It's because I use literally everyone's credit card. I'm like Babytron or TJX6, except I'm not scamming. I'm actually just asking like, yo, can I use your card? I'll pay you back, I swear. Unless I decide to really be on my Babytron shit. Shitty boys. Anyways, in this video, we are going to go over some Supreme items that I've been copying over the last couple weeks. I mean, shit, you guys saw this in the thumbnail, obviously, so it's safe to say, yeah, we cooked this season. I can't remember everything I bought. Some items I did get from the premium Discord directly, and then a lot of items I just got through running slots in the Discord. Speaking of the Discord, if you guys are not in the Lace Network, definitely check it out. It's the premium Discord group that I am a part of. I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below, and you guys can use my code STARR for 15% off your membership. I always recommend if you join, focus on sneakers. I've actually been buying a lot more sneakers lately. I will do a sneaker unboxing soon. I've been in the Discord for about 5 months now. I've hit Court Purples, I've hit the Bariums, I hit Murakami Box Logos, I hit Motion Logos. It has all the sites that are running raffles, every site that's dropping every sneaker, early links, group buys. The VIP actually has a Yeezy Supply slash like Adidas spoof browser, which essentially spoofs the browser, and when you're stuck in that waiting line, it basically gives you a better chance of getting through because it'll open up multiple browsers. And they have guides on how to use all that. I do recommend if you join, just check out the reselling guide, check out the beginner's guide. They have guides that will literally run you through everything if you want to get involved in reselling from start to finish. So I'm telling you guys, check out the premium Discord. I will leave a link below. I do owe them a little bit of love because I'm not gonna lie, it would not have been possible to do this well without the premium Discord. So anyways, we have a lot of shit to unbox, obviously. I think this is only from like 4 or 5 weeks.
One eternity later.
Okay, I finally got everything unboxed, but it still looks like a fucking tornado tore through here. And I figured since I did end up copying the Supreme lawn chair, which basically just has a bunch of Supreme strap-ons strapped around the entire chair, I might as well film the video on the Supreme strap-on. Okay, that's getting kind of sus. I probably shouldn't finish that sentence. Anyways, the unboxing had a lot of epic moments. Holy sh**. So first up, I want to talk about these tees. This chair is a lot more wobbly than the director's chair. I got a lot of tees. I got 3 of the Anno Domini tee. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mentioned in the last video where I talked about Supreme, where I discussed whether or not I feel like Supreme is dying. I said I don't think it is because I think that it's still doing really well. I think there's a lot of pieces that collectors love, and obviously, in terms of resale, this was a really good season for resale. All the week 1 tees are already going for over $100, and even these tees, which just dropped, are already going for anywhere between $65 and $85 depending on size and color. This tee was a fairly generic tee. It'll probably go up to like 100 to 115. I'm extremely surprised because honestly, I loved the tees that we got earlier in the season, minus that disrespectful Tupac hologram tee, because I know they would never do Biggie like that. I don't care what you tell me, that tee was trash and just completely disrespectful to Tupac's legacy. But anyways, I liked a lot of the week 1 tees. I don't like that many of the tees that came later on in the season. For example, we got 2 Pitbull tees. I fucking hate this tee with an absolute passion. This tee is literal dog shit. In fact, it is actual shit from the graphic on the t-shirt. I know my boy Scrap likes it. I know he said this t-shirt is fire, but he is smoking dick. In fact, he's smoking as much cock as Supreme does when they come up with some of their prices. That being said, this piece is absolute garbage. I mentioned in the video that this looks like some font from DeFonts, and I mentioned it looks like some early 2008 shit, and it actually was. 1, it did come from DeFonts, which is like a website where you can download a bunch of generic fonts, and 2, it was created in 2008, so I guess not like early 2000s, but like definitely around that era, and it's just overall disgusting. Some other individuals found out that this Pitbull is actual clip art from Google, which is pretty fucked. Absolutely shows how garbage this tee is. Also, if you look closely, the graphic is actually pixelated. Supreme has truly outdone themselves. This is so late lazy, it's almost hard work. It's like you have to work that hard to be that fucking lazy. I always say like half of what Supreme drops is trash. That is just next level. And what's crazy is even that tee is still reselling right now.
Oh hell no!
Next up, we have the Babytron official social tee. And if you look right here, the graphic is a social security card. Those little cards they give you at birth. Well, they don't give you, they probably give it to your mom. Your mom probably lost it because she doesn't love you. But anyways, it says Supreme right here. USA 94 2020. Never mind the fucking bullshit politics as usual. Out of order is the signature. And then around the card, it says United States of America. Sorry, Divided States of America. Blood, sweat, and tears. It also says on the little stamp, it says don't ask me for shit. And then it has the Roman numerals of the date that Supreme was conceived. The day that Supreme was pushed out of James Jebbia's cockhole. Next up, we got the marble tee. We got 3 of these actually. This is a navy. We got 2 red ones. Yes, we got a size medium. You have this right here. This is actually like on the titty, the nipple. So it's gonna perfectly circle around your nipple. Your nipple is gonna be placed right there. And then on the back, you have the same little spell out, but you have it on this, what I imagine is just a visual of what people see when they drop acid. I wonder what we're at right now in terms of profit if I was to sell it right now. Some of the stuff I like to hold, a lot of these tees I'll probably throw on Robitussin and Poppy, ROBITUSSINPAPI. Make sure you follow me on there because you're gonna see a lot of heat that will be posted to Robitussin and Poppy. You guys saw the thumbnail, you guys know I don't mess around. We got 3 lizard tees, or I think this is called, the lizard tee. This is another one. I'm sorry OG, but this t-shirt is absolutely garbanzo beans. You have this hedge that spells out Supreme. Then you have like a little watering thing right here, and it took me forever to figure out what this is, but it's just hedges floating, and then you have Godzilla's nut just climbing over the hedge. Supreme really outdid themselves with these tees. Like, I am just absolutely impressed at how shitty all of these tees were. Sometimes when I see Supreme, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of get caught up in like what the resell is, but in terms of actual graphics and just like in my personal opinion, even though I'm selling these, like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I do not like these at all. The only t-shirts that dropped that week that I actually like are of course the Ichi The Killer tees. We got 2 tees. We actually got 2 split tees. Like Hootie once said, split a nigga with just to see what he be thinking about. As you can see this graphic right here, you have this individual that has his head just busted open. It's extremely unrealistic looking, of course. Someone mentioned that he has 3 nostrils. This film was actually known for having a lot of gore, but a lot of unrealistic gore. Like a lot of really shitty CGI. And then I got a bunch of the Ichi The Killer long sleeves. These right here are so sick. I got what, 4 of these? I thought I had 5 of them, but yeah, I got 4 of these. This is actually one of the better long sleeves I've seen from Supreme in quite some time. You have this man's face right here. No, that is not Ichi The Killer, even though underneath it will say Ichi The Killer. That's just the name of the film. You can see this man is all scarred up. He took the phrase fishes get you hella bitches to a whole new level for my boy Paul Cantu. He literally cut gills into his cheeks to become a fish and get himself a bitch. Now you got a 1 on the back. This 1 is actually referencing the body armor, I think, from Ichi. And you'll see this Supreme Old English spell out going down the sleeve. I love this spell out. I wish they would use this on their long sleeves more. Oftentimes they do these like weak ass block spell outs, but I'm glad they're doing some Old English spell outs. Literally one of my favorite logos that Supreme does. This spell out is a little bit different than their standard Old English spell out, but nonetheless, that shit is hard. And then the last of the tees, we got 5 motion logos and 5 Murakami Box logos. Technically, we got 4 because the small right here was from the last unboxing. We got 4 more box logos that I got for a really good deal in the premium Discord. And then all 5 of these motion logos were actually slots that I manualed 1, 4 of my slots hit. I actually thought I had a lot more. I said in the video that I got 7, and then later on I said turn that 7 upside down. It's a 9 now. Well, sorry, when we turn the 7 upside down, it's actually a 5. Because 2 of my orders were canceled, 2 of my orders were just pending charges that fell off. So that's really depressing, but nonetheless, we still got 5 motion logos, 5 Murakami Box logos. This right here is a beautiful looking stack. I will say these have gone down a lot. When they first dropped, they were like between $700 and $900. That being said, I would not be surprised if these go up. I'm not gonna tell you guys to buy them. I just know personally I got a good deal on these and I had to pull the trigger because it was too good of a deal to pass up, and I feel like they're gonna go up in the future. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really care about the Murakami Box logo that much, just because to me it seems really lazy. It's like what a mock-up Instagram would do. This was almost impossible to get. There was 16,000 produced. And then of course, as we showed off the motion logo tees, we might as well show off the motion logo beanies. For those of you guys that do not know, I've talked about this before, but the motion logo is a graphic that Supreme has used before. It's another very iconic Supreme graphic. The history behind this is from the title sequence from Goodfellas. And yeah, they've released this on a billion different things, but yeah, it's dope to have it on some beanies, all embroidered, of course. Some of these actually aren't even going for that that much right now. The yellow one right now is $50 on StockX, which is not bad at all. And we have a lot of other items. You're gonna see a lot of duplicates. Like I said, the premium Discord, it hits different. We cook like f***ing crazy in the premium Discord. I got this lighter case. This was actually from a manual cop. But we got 4 boxes of Supreme Ziplocs. Then we got another 5 boxes of Supreme Ziplocs. We got another 4 boxes of Supreme Ziplocs. We got another 4 boxes of Supreme Ziplocs. We got another 4 boxes of Supreme Ziplocs. And another one. You guessed it. We got another 4 boxes of Supreme Ziplocs. That's how many, what, 4, 8, 16. I skipped 12, sorry, 12, 16, 21, 25 boxes of Ziplocs. I think I'm actually missing 3. I definitely secured the bag, and I also just made a terrible joke, but anyways, you already know we got the Ziploc. Really don't TikTok ice on the wristwatch.
Gotta stay with dumb ice packs on my wrist, that's how you down.
Definitely dope to get these, especially because these actually aren't selling on StockX. These are kind of an easy flip. They're selling on Grail for like $20 to $50, and I've seen people sell them separately for anywhere from $4 to $10. There's 30 bags in a box. Even if you sell them all at $1 a piece, you're gonna get 30 bucks. We also got 2 skeleton keychains. I'll open this one so you can see what it looks like. It has a little Supreme coffin with a skeleton inside of it. Definitely a cool little keychain. I don't know how these are gonna do, but I do plan on throwing these in some sort of accessory raffle. I'm telling you guys, with these Ziploc bags, that would not have been possible without the premium Discord. I'm telling you guys, check out the links below because those Ziploc bags flew off the site. I've seen people take manual L's on the Ziplocs. I was able to manual cop Ziplocs and the keychain, but I saw a lot of people actually take L's on just getting Ziplocs. And like I said, that's easy money. That's an easy way to flip and make some money from home. Oh my God. Then we have the Supreme punch hole denim Vans, or hole punch denim Vans. You have this material that has these hole punches. It's actually just like this distressing. It's kind of cool how they did this. I feel like they actually just have this as an entire pattern that they used and then sewed it in. But on the back, it has the Supreme Arc logo right there. I do wish this was old English. That would have made it a million times better. But nonetheless, we got a pair of the skate highs. And of course, we got another pair of the skate highs. Oh, that smells absolutely delicious. Yeah, same exact thing. I imagine these are the shoes that 50 Cent was wearing when he was running the streets of New York, getting shot at 47 times. Then we got the bling towel. No, I'm not opening this. This thing is big as fuck. It's got that same pattern that you've seen on the bling hooded sweatshirt and bling hooded shorts that I have. Here we have the Speedo collaboration. This is from the last week. This box, fire. I imagine such beautiful, gorgeous visual protection will help individuals like my boy Michael Phelps swim faster, especially when he's swimming through all the vaginal juice that he will have to get through when he puts on these Supreme goggles, or sorry, Supreme Speedo goggles. Good for swimming. I guess you could also use this like if you are maybe like a porn star, maybe like Riley Reid might want to get a pair of these. And then of course we also have the Supreme Speedo silicone swim cap, Supreme silicone Supreme Speedo silicone swim cap. That's 4 S's right there. No cap. But anyways, this right here, of course, I guess just like helps you swim. I don't know, I'm not a swimmer. But it can also be used as a Supreme Speedo do-rag or a Supreme Speedo nut rag. Either way, whichever you prefer. We got some Supreme Heller mugs. I've already unboxed these. I got another set of clear ones. I kind of wish I would've got some other red ones because I kind of regret selling my red ones, but we have some more clear ones that will once again be raffled on Robotus and Poppy. I'm telling y'all, if you guys don't follow Robotus and Poppy, change your life because your boys got some heat coming to the page. We also got 3 packs of Supreme Oreos. I'm so tired of Supreme releasing stupid ass items like this, and then I personally feel like they actually upload it to eBay so that way they can start some stupid bid so they can make news articles, because there's so many news articles like Supreme Oreos sold for $30,000, and it's like, dude, that is not what happened. Like, no one is paying that $30,000. That's a fake eBay bid. I don't know why that irritates me so much. It's just so fucking fake. Anyways, we also got, oh shit, we got another chair, as you can see. Then we got, oh shit, another chair, and then last but not least, we got another chair. Can you see? I don't know. I can't. Oh shit. Yeah. Can you? Yeah. I mean, you guys see the chair I'm sitting on. I don't even know why I had to do all that extra shit. That was way too much work. I'm really curious what the total spent was and what the value is and what I would make if I sold everything right now. I honestly want to start a series where I don't save up for unboxings like this, but instead I actually kind of unbox stuff as it comes in and show you guys kind of the process of how you would flip things. Obviously, I don't sell on standard platforms, so I haven't quite figured out how I would do that to make it realistic for a normal viewer or someone at home that's reselling. But I genuinely feel like reselling kind of changed my life. Without reselling, like I said in the last video, I wouldn't have been able to help out my stepdad and my mom with their medical bills when they both went through cancer. My stepdad went through prostate cancer, my mom went through breast cancer, and that was all within the last 4 years. I wouldn't have been able to help out my friend Kyrie's family when he passed away. I wouldn't have been able to pay for my brother's cremation when he died a couple weeks ago. And it's just been crazy, man. Like, at the end of the day, it's been a crazy 4 years, and a lot of the stuff that I have is all thanks to reselling and you guys supporting me. Like, at the end of the day, I wouldn't have a lot of this shit without you guys. So I appreciate everyone that supports these videos, everyone that shows love by liking the videos, commenting, subscribing, and turning on post notifications. Seriously, it means the fucking world to me. Anyways, that being said, that's it for the unboxing. I'm telling you guys, if you want to start cooking, join the premium Discord. Like I said earlier, check out the links in the description down below. Use my code STAR, STARR, for 15% off your membership. They genuinely have a ton of tools that can help you when it comes to reselling. And at the end of the day, if you're in it for like 2 or 3 months, if you take one W, all it takes is that one time and it's gonna pay for your membership for a year. And the thing I love about the premium group is the fact that not everyone has the money to invest into like a, you know, $5,000 bot. This kind of gives tools to people to give them a better chance of copying things instead of just going manual all the time where they get kind of screwed. Because as you guys know, Supreme hates manual users. It's literally world domination when it comes to these bots. And I understand running slots at the end of the day is essentially letting someone else run a bot for you. I get that, but it's like there's literally no hope. Supreme has showed us countless times they don't give a fuck about manual users. They don't care if you try to cop manual. You got to adapt, and not everyone has $5,000 to go drop on a bot to adapt. So that's why I'm saying I love the premium Discord for that. But also, I always tell you guys, slots isn't even like the biggest value in the premium Discord. There's a lot of other things the premium Discord offers, and there's a whole list of things that they offer, as well as guides on how to use every single feature. I mean, even when it comes to the brick flips, like even if you guys don't cop hype stuff, you guys can go cop bricks that are on sale from places like Foot Locker, Finish Line, etc. Go flip them on StockX, make some money, and then get the personal item that you wanted that you may have taken an L on in the past. Like I said, premium Discord link in the description down below. Of course, like the video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, man. Oh yeah, and also of course follow me on Robotus and Poppy, ROBITUSSIMPAPI. Follow me on my main Instagram, the StarLife, THESTARRLIFE. Both those are gonna be somewhere on the screen and in the description down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep living Star Life. Peace the fuck out.
Bang, bitch, holler when you feel this. Fresh up out the county, tell them hoes to get up on me. I was in that motherfucker with some killers.